Hi everyone, I'm Fani and Anisa, the student of BINUS Nusantara Bandung with student ID. I am class LE02. Okay, for the first time, I will review a mascara product which is really viral on social media and on the stories always sold out. And I have used it for a long time and have finished 2 pieces. And I already bought a new one. Here is it! Mascara Lorèal Paradise. We will see first from the packaging, and I will open it, the mascara. I like the combination of pink and gold. Look, I think it is very beauty. Next, I will open it, the mascara, and we will see the spoolie and the color of the mascara. Look, this spoolie is very thick and the color is very black. This is the third bottle of my mascara because I love it. And I will try and I will show you guys. Okay, before I try, I will curl my lashes and I will show you how I curl my lashes. Okay, first I will curl my lashes. Yeah. Okay, done. Okay, let's try the mascara, but sorry I was very close because I wanted you to see it, guys. Okay, I open it and then I will try. Okay guys, it is. Okay guys, let's see the result. Tada! Oh my god, it's very pretty, right? Oh, I think look like a different person. This is before and this is after. Wow, make my lashes thick and long. Okay guys, it is the result. Look, so pretty. No need extension lashes, only use the L'Oreal Paradise mascara. Ta-da! I love it. So this mascara is waterproof, guys. It won't run when exposed to water. Okay, that's my midterm speaking project assignment. Thank you so much. Hope it is very useful. I'm Fani and Anisa, BINUS Bandung, class LE02. Thank you.